Welcome back, everybody. Well, I had 3 other jobs to go to yesterday, so all I had time for here was to stop by and give our steel framing a few coats of paint. That's the stuff that I made for this utility room the other day. After giving them a thorough cleaning with a wire wheel and then some acetone, of course, now I'm in the process of painting another set for the closet. And now, looks like this one is about ready to go in place. And something to hold up this end of it all. There, that probably won't fall down. And there you go, one reinforced floor. Now I'll do the same thing to the other room tomorrow. So thanks for joining me again. Remember, if you'd like to help out the project, the site to contribute is fullerdomehome.com. See you tomorrow.